Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making a Firebase project and enabling a real-time database. Do that first so you have an API key and DB URL you can paste into Thunkable. Once done, add the Firebase component in your Thunkable project and enter the API key, auth domain, and DB URL. This connects the app shell to your backend. Make sure your database rules allow testing reads/writes, and create a basic JSON node like /test/value to confirm connectivity before building UI logic. Next, wire Thunkable blocks to read and write data. You set value to push data to a path, get value to fetch once, and listen for value to get live updates. As you map form fields to JSON paths, validate types, convert numeric input to numbers, so Firebase stores correct types. Add on success and on failure handlers for each operation, update the UI on success, and show a retry hint on failure. Once these blocks work locally, test with multiple devices to verify real-time syncing behavior. Finalize by integrating Firebase authentication and bind user data to auth. UID so each user accesses only their nodes. Once auth works, tighten real-time database rules to require auth. UID matches the data owner and remove open test rules. Deploy configuration, test sign-up and sign-in flows, and confirm persistence across sessions. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip. Inspect console errors and verify the exact API key and DB URL match your
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.